Contact breaker ignition systems provide a simple means of establishing and interrupting the current flowing in the primary ignition circuit. A basic system consists of the battery, to provide a source of energy, the ignition switch, to provide driver control over system operation, an ignition coil, to provide a step-up transformer action, a contact breaker, opened and closed by lobes on the distributor cam as the engine rotates to make and break the primary circuit at the correct time in the cycle. A capacitor, to assist in the rapid collapse of the coil's magnetic field. A distributor, to house the contact breaker and distribute the high tension voltage from the ignition coil and spark plugs to ignite the air-fuel mixture in each cylinder in the correct firing order. Connecting wires and leads suitable for conducting the current flowing in the system at the appropriate voltage level. When these components are connected together, they form two distinct circuits, primary and secondary. In the primary circuit, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the ignition switch, then to the positive terminal of the ignition coil. A connection is then made from the negative terminal to the contact breaker moving contact point. The fixed contact point is connected to ground at the vehicle frame, as is the negative battery terminal. This allows the circuit to be completed through the frame when current is flowing. A capacitor is connected in parallel with the moving contact and also has a ground connection through its retaining screw. In the secondary circuit, the secondary winding with many thousands of turns of fine enameled copper wire is wound around a central soft iron core. It is connected internally to the primary winding at one end and at the other to the central output terminal, also called the HT or high tension terminal. The central coil terminal is then connected by a high tension lead or cable to the center terminal of the distributor cap. A spring-loaded carbon brush connects the terminal to the center of the rotor arm or button. This ensures contact is made with the rotor arm at all times, even when the engine is running. As the rotor arm rotates, it lines up with the segment inside the distributor cap, which leads to the spark plug for that cylinder.